what you need to know? What you need to know is that if you want to find BC, I wanted to use BO plus OC. I realized I don't have O, no choice. I have to use something else. So in this case, I use BA plus AC. Now, to find AM, again, I need to find CM. You need to answer this question. AM, is it half of BC or half of CB? The correct answer is the second one. So this is correct. Okay, because of the direction. So you need to remember, if I want CM, I need to compare with CB. Now, C, how do I calculate P? Does it sound familiar? Yes, right. How to find point P? If AB, so ABPC, so it must be in a running sequence. A is here, let's find. A is here, B is here, C is here. Where is P? Can you help me? There, at the bottom, right? Top right. Here. Is P here? Is P here? Is P here? So is P at 1, P at 2, or P at 3? P at 1. A, B, P, C. Correct. Again, A, B, C, B. Wrong. A, P, B, C. Wrong. So 1 is correct. Do you follow? It must be in running sequence. So A, run to B, run to P, run to C. It must be in a running order. So I write down P is here, P is here, P is here. So you can join the lines. Oh, very messy. Let me erase everything. So you join the line like that, like that. Okay, then you can draw 2 arrows. So how? You want to use what? Which two vectors are equal? Aaron, try. A what equals? I want to find P, right? Obviously, I must involve P. So which two vectors do you try? P, PB vector equal? PB. I help you. PB is this one. PB must be equal to what? Raul? PA, wrong. PM. Where is F? Wrong. PB, this one must be equal to what? BC. BC, wrong. CB, wrong. CA. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So because why? Because PB, this one must be equal to this one. Understand? I draw wrongly because my shape doesn't look like a parallelogram, but this is a parallelogram. Now, I can also have another set. Aaron, try again. Key something. PC equals to? AB is wrong. BA is correct. You understand? So you just need to tell me how many steps plus how many steps. Something like that. Do I need to show you the working or no need? Come to the periods, the timetable will change. Hopefully I don't see 3 periods. I see 4 periods. Wow. Then I need to sweat. Now, looking at C. Now, how do you find? You can either use the first one or the second one. If I want to find OC first, I can use AC because I know AC is AO plus OC. I find what is OC and then I try and link this back here to find PO. Once I found PO, I can use PO equals to negative of OP. Then I find OP. Clear? Can I have the answer of OP? Negative 6 and 16.
So therefore P is 6, negative 6 and 16. Now, so these three information is extremely important. After you have written down, you want to transfer to the diagram. Now let's start. OW is 4 unit, OB is 1 unit. How do I transfer to the diagram? I'll write 1 and I'll write 3. Am I correct?
Do I write 3 or do I write 4? 3, because OW is 4 units. Now, second one, AB and AX. AB
and AX. AX is 1 unit, AB is 2 unit, that means 1 is to 1. Now, do you notice how I change the notation? I use a stroke and a stroke to tell myself they are equal length. Now, next one, OY and OX. OY is how many unit? 8. OX? 5. So this is 5. This one is 3. Do you follow?
Do you know how I get all the numbers? Yeah, it's not cm, it's unit. It's unit. So let's start.
I want to find what? AB. In terms of A and B, yeah? A part 1. AB. AB, is it easy?
Yeah.
Really? Equals to what? A O plus OB, right? I very slow one. I always write A something plus something B. I always start like that. So I encourage you to start like that because this will tell me it's minus A plus B. I think you all are faster. You all actually see like that lor, go up like that, right? Okay. Now next one. What's the next one? OX. Help me. Come again. O A plus AX. What is OA? A. What is AX? AX. What is AX? 1. Wrong. Half of? Very good. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's continue. This is half of A, B. Do you agree? Do you know what I'm writing? Understand, huh? So from here, then you write, oh, this is A, this is half AB. AB is minus A plus B. And what's the answer? Half A plus half B. Yeah, you can. You can also take out the half, and then this is A plus B. Okay, part 3. What is OY? OY equals to what? Now, OY is an extension. Tell me OY is how many times of OX?
Can you help me? Now tell me OY is how many times of OX? 5 over 8. 8 over 5. 8 over 5 is here, right? OY is OX. You bring the 5 over. So do you see 8 over 5?
So you know this is 8 over 5. I'm doing slowly with you because later on when you do the homework question, it's exactly the same. So this is how you do, this is how you solve every part. Now this part here, it will be 8 over 5 times half A plus B. And what is the answer? 4 over 5 A plus B. Happy? 4. AY. What is AY? AY equals to what? A something plus something X. AY. You want to choose O. Can you choose X? Actually, yes, but more difficult. O is easy, right? What is AO? Negative A. What is OY? You already have. A bit complicated, but luckily, if you do step by step, it is easy. Okay? Like a lot of A and B, but you do step by step, it's actually easy. So this part is okay. I need to simplify, yes, no? Simplify, so what's the answer? Negative 1 over 5A plus 4 over 5B. Now, let's learn how to factorize. Factorize means I take out what? 5. Wrong. I take out 1 over 5. So this will be minus A plus 4B. Am I moving too fast? So YO is negative 4 over 5 A plus B with the bracket. OW, what is OW? 4 times of OB. What is OB? B. Okay? And then what's my final answer? Negative 4 over 5 WA and then plus 3 and 1 over 5B. If I take out 1 over 5, what's the answer? Negative 4A. Can you help me with this one? 16B. I can take out 4 also. Are you following what I'm doing? Quiet. So quiet.
So I simplify. So I take this triple out. I distribute the 4 over 5 plus 4. I get this, right? I can take out 1p. I'm left with this. Can I take out 4 again? Yes, I take out 4 again.
So I will be able to write 4 over 5 bracket. Yeah, no. It's still fine, But if you don't factorize, later on you realize your last one, your B, which is the star question, cannot do. I show you why. Now, show that Y lies on AY. Can you rephrase this question? Again, Oh, wow. Can you rephrase this question? Anyone want to try? Show that Y lies on AW. How to rephrase?
That means you want to show what? You want to show A collinear. You want to show that A, Y, and W are collinear. Do you follow?
You need to show. What am I doing? Can you help me write down on your working A, Y, W are collinear?
Can you give me a strategy? How do I show that these three are collinear? When AY equal to what? Anyone? When AY equal to K times of YW, right?
Because when you're able to write AY equals to K times of YW, that means you can show that they are. So once you have this, that means you are telling me they are collinear. If they are collinear, that means Y lies on AW. Do you follow? Now, I can show AY and YW. I can also show AY and what? AW. Do you follow? So I write down, you just follow first. You can also write AY equals to K times of AW. Now, let's look at what we have. Do we have AY? Can we do a highlight? Do we have AY? Oh yes, you have AY. AY is this. AY is actually this. Do you have YW? Yes. That means it's the first one.
Again, you have AY, you have YW. Ready? How do I produce like that? How do I produce this equation? I need to take something, plus something, times something, or something divided by something. Answer is D, Y.
Now let's try and divide. Can you help me write down? Okay, I try to write bigger. and